Hi friends, this is Akshaya. Today I am going to show you a beautiful and a wonderful place from Bhuj, which is in Gujarat. That is Khari River. This Khari River is in western India. It is starting from Aravalli Hills. It enters into the Rajasthan and passes through Gujarat area that is called Kutch. It is a great run of Kutch, but it is a very remote location and also a dangerous place because there are some crocodiles in the river. There is no caution board, nothing. But people are going unknowingly towards to the river and it is very dangerous. There must be a caution board. This is the location where crocodiles are there. The beauty of this river is it is naturally formed. Everything here is naturally formed. Majority of the people are not knowing the location of this area. So people are rarely goes there. This is 6 km away from the Bhuj city. Complete road facilities are not available there. We have to walk about 2 kilometers. So that's why rarely people are going there. Let us have a look over here and enjoy the view of Khari River. Now I am showing you the beautiful view of Khari River. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.